Hello and welcome. This is the Nature Tree Special. Trees are very friendly. Trees keep our air supply fresh by absorbing carbon dioxide and producing oxygen. In 1 year, an acre of trees can absorb as much carbon dioxide as a car driven up to 8,700 miles. There are about 110 species of just pine trees. That's nothing compared to the 100,000 tree species just total of what we know now. White pine trees range from 50 to 80 feet tall. Their roots spread from 60 to 50 feet wide. Trees and other plants make their food by a process known as photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the chemical process by which green plants and other phototrophs synthesize organic compounds from carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight. Through the seasons, trees grow and develop. They grow fruit and they also lose fruit as the seasons change. The fruit falls to the ground after it dies from the tree. And that is the end of the Nature Tree Special.